I will show you how to enter BIOS configuration settings and boot menu option for an ACER SWIFT GO 14 laptop. Restart your laptop or power it on. So once it's restarted, press F2. Keep tapping it actually, keep tapping it just like this. So this is the key, F2. So this is BIOS, guys. This is how it looks like. Quick flick through. And now I will show you how to enter boot menu options. First, you need to enable this setting. So enable here, F12 boot mode. You got to enable this. And then save the changes, F10, enter. Once the laptop restarts, keep tapping F12 now. F12 for boot menu options. This is boot manager / boot menu option. Primary drive here. Below it will be your bootable drive. And then press enter. And then it will boot from your, or if you've got a flash drive, it will boot from there, or etc. wherever you got. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe and check my other videos.